Is your TikTok account stuck in a rut, with views flatlining and followers nowhere in sight? You might be making some rookie mistakes that are killing your growth without you even realizing it. But don't worry, because today we're breaking down the 5 most common blunders that TikTok beginners make, and I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Let's get started on turning your TikTok game around right now. First up, a huge mistake is completely ignoring trends. Think of trending sounds, effects, and hashtags as the express lane to visibility on TikTok. The algorithm actively pushes content that uses these popular elements to a wider audience. When you post a video with a non-trending obscure sound, you're essentially making your content invisible. You're missing out on a massive opportunity to get discovered by users who are actively browsing content related to that trend. To fix this, spend time on your For You page every day. See what sounds keep popping up? Check out the Discover tab for trending hashtags and incorporate them into your own unique content. It's not about mindlessly copying. It's about joining the conversation that everyone is already a part of. Next, let's talk about low-quality content. In a world of endless scrolling, viewers have zero patience for videos that are hard to watch or listen to. If your video is shot in a dark room, the audio is muffled or has loud background noise, or the camera is shaking uncontrollably, people will scroll past in a heartbeat. This high drop-off rate signals to the algorithm that your content isn't engaging, further hurting your reach. You don't need a Hollywood budget to fix this. Simply filming in front of a window for natural light, using the microphone on your headphones for clearer audio, and propping your phone against a book to keep it steady can make a world of difference. Your goal is to make the viewing experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible. The third critical error is having a weak or non-existent hook. On TikTok, you have less than 3 seconds to convince someone to stop scrolling and watch your video. If the beginning of your video is slow, confusing, or boring, you've already lost. A weak hook is like a silent alarm telling viewers to move on immediately. You need to start with a bang, ask a provocative question, make a bold statement, show a surprising visual, or start right in the middle of the action. Your opening line or scene is the single most important part of your video. Think about what would make you stop and look. Whatever that is, put it right at the very beginning to grab that attention and hold it. Mistake number 4 is inconsistent posting. The TikTok algorithm loves consistency. When you post sporadically, maybe 3 videos one day and then nothing for 2 weeks, the algorithm gets confused. It doesn't know when to expect content from you, which makes it less likely to push your videos to new audiences. Furthermore, your followers can forget about you if you disappear for long stretches. You lose momentum and audience interest. The solution is to create a realistic posting schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a day or 3 times a week, consistency is key. This trains the algorithm to recognize you as an active creator and keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Finally, the 5th pitfall is being a ghost on the platform. TikTok is a social network, which means you need to be social. If you just post your videos and then close the app, you're missing the point. Not replying to comments, never following other creators in your niche, and failing to engage with other people's content makes you an isolated creator. This hurts your growth because engagement is a 2-way street. The community won't support you if you don't support it back. To fix this, dedicate time to engaging. Reply to every comment you get, follow creators you admire, and leave thoughtful comments on their videos. This builds community, shows the algorithm you're an active participant, and brings more eyes back to your own profile. So there you have it, the 5 major mistakes holding back your TikTok growth. Ignoring trends, posting low-quality content, having a weak hook, being inconsistent, and acting like a ghost. Now that you know what they are, you have the power to change your strategy. Start by picking 1 or 2 of these areas to focus on, and you'll begin to see a real difference in your views and follower count. Your journey to TikTok success starts with avoiding these common pitfalls. So get out there and start creating smarter,